morning to everybody. Grade 3, subject mathematics, chapter 6, fractions. So what is meant by fractions? Fractions mean part of whole. Part of whole is called the fraction. Here we have two parts. The first one is numerator and then second one is denominator. First one is numerator and then second part is denominator. Listen here.
Let us learn about fractions. 1/2. When a whole object is cut or divided into two equal parts, then each part is called a half. It is written as 1/2 and read as 1/2. 1/2 is one part out of two equal parts of a whole. 1/3. When a whole object is divided into three equal parts, then each part is called 1/3. It is written as 1/3 and read as 1/3. 1/3 is one part out of three equal parts of a whole. 1/4. When a whole object is divided into four equal parts, each part is called 1/4. It is written as 1/4 and is read as 1/4 or 1/4. Quarter is one part out of four equal parts of a whole. Let us look at another example of fractions. This rectangle has 5 parts and 3 parts are shaded. Hence, the shaded part form 3/5 of a rectangle. In this example, the circle has 8 parts and 5 parts are shaded. Hence, the shaded part shows 5 leaves of a circle.
Fractions. Fractions with numerator and denominator.
Let us study fractions and its parts. A fraction has two terms, namely the numerator and the denominator. The numerator tells how many parts are taken out of the whole. Consider these examples. Here, the shaded regions are the parts taken out. The first picture shows 1 is taken out of 2. The second picture shows 4 is taken out of 5. The third picture shows 3 is taken out of 6. The denominator tells how many parts the whole has been divided into. Consider these examples. The first picture suggests 2 equal parts. The second picture suggests 5 equal parts. The third picture suggests 6 equal parts. In a fraction, the numerator is placed over the denominator and is separated by a horizontal line. Consider an example. In the fraction 1/3, the numerator is 1 and the denominator is 3. The numerator 1 suggests that one part out of the 3 parts is being talked about. This one part is going to be shaded or taken out. The denominator 3 suggests that the whole unit, which is taken as 1, has been cut into 3 equal parts. Consider a few more examples. In the fraction 1/2 or half, 2 is the denominator and 1 is the numerator. This means that the whole has been cut into 2 equal parts and taken out or shaded one part of it. Similarly, in the fraction 1/4 or quarter, 4 is the denominator and 1 is the numerator. This means that the whole has been cut into 4 equal parts and taken out or shading one part of it. Did you know that if the denominator is 0, the number divided by 0 is 0.
So practice time 1. Write the fraction for the shaded part. Write the fraction for the shaded part. So first you want the fraction. So what is meant by fraction? Suppose we take 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is called the fraction. Here the number 1 is called numerator. The number 1 is called numerator. And the number 2 is called denominator. 2 is called denominator. That means draw a circle. We have two parts. 1, 2. 1, 2. Here fraction means part of whole. Fraction as part of whole. So 1 by 2. Here total portion is 2. That means total part 1, 2. We have two parts having 1 and 2. So number of portion is 2. That is called the denominator. Number of portion is 2. That is called the denominator. Here we share first portion only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We divide two parts. So it is called the 1 by 2. The number 1 is called the numerator. Listen here. We divide two parts 1 and 2. The number 1 is the numerator and the number 2 is the denominator. Listen here. Here our question part is write the fraction of the shaded part. Here our shaded part is 1 and 2. We take the overall portion is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 parts. The number 5 write in denominator. The number 5 write in denominator. And then we have 2 shaded portion. Our shaded part is 1 and 2. So number 2 write in numerator. The number 2 write in numerator. Our fraction is 2 by 5. Our fraction is 2 by 5. Listen here. Number 5 is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The total portion is called, total part is called the denominator. And then shaded portion 1 and 2. That is called the numerator. Fraction means numerator and denominator. 2 by 5. 2 by is called the fraction. Then second diagram is we have two parts 1, 2. We have two parts. So we write the number 2 in denominator. And then shaded portion is only 1. So number 1 is called the numerator. So our fraction is 1 by 2. Our fraction is 1 divided by 2. The next we go to the C part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 parts. So number 5 write in denominator. And then here shaded portion is 1, 2, 3. Here shaded portion is 1, 2, 3. So 3 is called the numerator. So our fraction is 3 by 5. Our fraction is 3 by 5. 5. 3 by 5 or 3 upon 5. The next one, D part. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 parts. That is the denominator. And the shaded part is 2, 1 and 2. So 2 is called the numerator. Our fraction is 2 by 4. 2 by 4. The next D part. 1, 2. Here we have only 2 parts. So number 2 write in denominator. And then shaded portion is only 1. So 1 is called the numerator. Our answer is 1 by 2. The 1 by 2 is the fraction of the diagram. The next one, F part. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 total parts. Number 4 is the denominator. And then shaded portion is only 1. So 1 is the numerator. Our fraction is 1 by 4. Listen here. First one 2 by 5. Then second one 1 by 2. Third one 3 by 5. Fourth one 2 by 4. Fifth one 1 by 2. Sixth one 1 by 4. This is not called the fractions. Fraction means part of whole. Part of whole. The next one, share 1 by 2 of the given cells. Here we have 3 cells, 1, 2, 3. Share 1 by 2 of the given cells. 1 is the numerator and the 2 is called the denominator. 1 by 2, 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator part. Our question part is share 1 by 2. Share 1 by 2. Here shaded portion is 1. So first we want to share. Any one portion. We share any one portion. It's called 1 by 2. Because 1, 2, the total part is 2, the shaded portion is 1. The next D is simplifying. Here also 2 parts, 1 and 2. We want to share 1 by 2. Share the numerator part. Here share numerator is 1. Here we have 2 parts. The 2 is called the denominator and the shaded portion will be 1. So our fraction is 1 by 2. Share 1 by 2 of the given shapes. And then C part. Here also we have 2 parts. 2 is the denominator part. We want to share 1. One by 2. The fraction is 1 by 2. Question number 3. Tick the cells where 1 by 4 is shared. Tick the cells where 1 by 2 is shared. 1 by 4 is shared. First one A. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts sharing, that means 4 denominator part. 4. And then shaded portion is only 1. The total number of portion 1, 2, 3, 4. And then shaded portion is 1 and 1. 1 is the numerator. So our fraction is 1 by 4. Here our question part is tick the shapes where 1 by 4 is saddle. Here also 1 by 4 is saddle. So tick the 1 by 4. The next one. Here also we have 4 part. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 denominator part. 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. But here saddle portion is 1, 2, 3. Here saddle portion is 3. So fraction is 3 by 4. But we want to 1 by 4. So this is wrong. The next one, C part. Here total number of part is 1, 2, 3, 4. Total number of part 1, 2, 3, 4. So denominator is 4. Here saddle portion is only 1. So our answer is 1 by 4. The saddle portion is 1 by 4. Question part is tick the shapes where 1 by 4 is sad. The next one, D part. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first condition is a failure, so it's also wrong. The next one, E part. One, two, three, 4. The total part is 4, but saddle part is saddle portion is 2. Saddle portion is 2. Our answer is 2 by 4. So it's also wrong. The next one, number of portion is 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Number of portion is 4. The saddle portion is only 1. So our question part is tick the saddle part of 4. The next one, tick the correct options for the shaded region of the given shapes. So you want to check fraction and diagram. Fraction with diagram. The first one, we have a circle and then 4 fractions. The first fraction is 6 by 8. And the second fraction is 7 by 8. The next one is 5 by 8. And the last one is 3 by 8. We have 4 answers. We want to suitable answers. Here our diagram is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The total number of part is 8. Total number of part is 8. The denominator is 8. But here our saddle portion is 1, 2, and then 3. Here our saddle portion is 1, 2, 3. So the last one, 3 by 8 is the correct answer. 3 by 8. That means 3 saddle portion and then 8 total number of portions. Then B part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means we have 12 parts sharing. Here every denominator is 12. 12, 12, 12. That means first one is 5 by 12. Second one is 6 by 12. Third one is 4 by 12. and the last one is 3 by 12. Want to suitable answer, that means tick the correct options for the shaded region of a given shapes. Here shaded portion is 1, here shaded portion is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Listen here. Your shaded portion is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Now 5 is a numerator. 5 is a numerator and the denominator is 12. Our fraction is 5 by 12. 5 by 12. And then C part. Always first we take the total number of parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and then 16. So we have 5 by 16, 6 by 16, 7 by 16, 8 by 16. Our question part is tick the correct options for shaded regions. For shaded regions. Here shaded region is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 shaded region. So our answer is 8 by 16. 8 is the numerator and then 16 is the denominator. And then sixth one. Identify the numerator and denominator in the following fractions. Identify the numerator and denominator in the following fractions. We have 5 fractions. First one 8 by 12, and then second one 5 by 7, third one 3 by 6, fourth one 5 by 10, and then fifth one 7 by 9. We want to divide numerator and denominator. The upper part is called the numerator and the lower part is called the denominator. Here numerator is, the upper part is 8, so 8, and the denominator is 12, and the B part 5 by 7. The upper part 5 is the numerator and the lower part 7 is the denominator. Then C part 3 is the numerator and then 6 is the denominator. Then D 5 by 10. Here 5 is the numerator and the 10 is the denominator. The last one 7 is the numerator and the 9 is the denominator. The finally homework part. Page number 89. Write the fractions in words. Write the fractions in words. 1 by 3, 4 by 6, 7 by 10, 1 by 7, 6 by 9, 5 by 8, 4 by 9, 2 by 5, 9 by 10, 4 by 12. Page number 89. Page number 89. My bat is time 1. Thank you to all.